This is a quick video. Yesterday, we looked at X and we found that OpenAI dropped a new feature, a new tool within the OpenAI ecosystem. They call it Pulse. And here we can see the post from OpenAI. Now in preview, ChatGPT Pulse. This is a new experience where ChatGPT can proactively deliver personalized daily updates from your chats, feedback, and connected apps like your calendar, rolling out to pro users on mobile today. So this is a step up from the updates or reminders that we used to have with ChatGPT, which I didn't use really, and or I stopped using altogether. This could be something different. This could be something that connects to your apps, actually looks into the chats that you have with ChatGPT, understands what's important to you, and then gives you these updates. So even Sam Altman himself posted about it, and you can read his post on X. You can go there and check it out. But he calls it my favorite feature of ChatGPT so far. So that makes it more interesting. I wanted to do this quick video. I have a pro account, and I wanted to actually open it for the first time on my mobile with you to for you to see the experience and maybe have an insight. As everything else, probably at some point this will be rolled out to Plus, maybe at some point free users as well. So with this, let's go to my mobile and see how it looks. Okay, here I'm mirroring my mobile. You can see all of the AI apps I have. Now we open ChatGPT and you can see there's a notification here. Let me go to the side panel and now I get Pulse. So I've got the normal ones, ChatGPT, so a normal chat, the library for any images I generate, Codex, the GPTs, and then Pulse. Let me click on Pulse and okay. Hi Samer, I am here to surface what's helpful to you once a day, every day. You decide what shows up. If you tell me what to focus on, I'll curate it for you tomorrow. Okay, that's interesting. So here it's already trying to pick up on the chats between me and ChatGPT, and it's telling me, let's start with a theme that's been on your mind lately. What's a truly personal AI might look like? Okay, so this is part of a conversation that I talked to it about personal AI and the ability to actually create your own model with your own data. Okay, the myth of a fully personalized AI. Retrieval vs fine-tuning explained simply. Okay, so it has some hints of things that we've talked about, and as you see, it's all about artificial intelligence. Get insights from your emails and calendars. Let me hit allow. You know, I'm careful with these things to give it access. I already used connectors to connect my Gmail and my calendar. Maybe this is actually something that will make it my own assistant that will remind me of things, which honestly is super helpful. And then here you decide what shows up here. What's on your mind lately? Okay, I'll remember it for tomorrow's update. Okay, so here I can basically click on this one and AI content leadership created for you. Okay, excellent. So I can just actually fine tune it more. I'd like to learn about, again, I define what I want to learn about. That's interesting. Keep me updated on, okay, I can put topics to be updated. So it's like 3 categories and maybe anything else I can add. Since your YouTube work is always evolving, here's a small polish that could lift your channel's engagement. So as I create this videos, I always talk to ChatGPT about my content, if it makes sense, how I'm performing, some advice. So it picked on that as well. So it looks like a feed. It looks like a kind of a news app, but this is news and updates based on your actions, your thoughts, your engagement with ChatGPT, and even your personal email and calendar. So I'll have to actually, let me click Curate here. You can see everything we've seen before is on this carousel here. So let me just add one thing. So I just added this. Keep me updated on the latest news about AI models and advancement across language and multimodal and image video models, regardless of the research lab. So let me fix this. And with this, I can actually just hit send and it should do it for me. So got it, thanks. So basically it's an assistant. I think Pulse is simply an assistant. So I just told it what I want. It should, starting tomorrow, start giving me more information about or updates about AI models as I asked. And it seems I can keep actually working these things out, adding to them, modifying them. I can actually save a chat about something that I want, like it, dislike it, and I can share it. That's interesting. So it's kind of improved UI plus an assistant that will help you with the areas you really care about at this moment to curate it for you. I think it's as simply as that. And it's needed because if you use ChatGPT like I do, I have a million things on it. Not everything is a top priority for me. Certain things I would like for it to happen automatically. And the email and calendar thing, I'll have to experience. I'll write a comment maybe about it here on this video or on X. But it is something that honestly it will be amazing if I have that assistant giving me feedback of what is there in my calendar and my email that I need to attend to. You can also decide on the notification here, and you can see the notification pop up here. So I'll allow it. So I'm all set apparently now, and I can click curate for tomorrow, which we've already done. Okay, so I can just keep kind of fine tuning these areas here, and then I'll get this kind of news feed app-like feature in ChatGPT with everything I care about. And this is it. I think it doesn't look as fancy, but I'll have to experience it. It looks really promising. I spend lots of time doing extra research, extra steps to get what I want, what I care about. If ChatGPT can actually curate all of that for me based on the conversations I have with it, or based on what I feed this feature Pulse with, honestly, for me personally, it's going to be a big deal. It's going to be something that I start my day with, because usually I go to X, I have to spend a good amount of effort to get the information I want to. If ChatGPT can do that for me, and also on top of that, look into my connectors, into my calendar, into my email, just help me with some insights from what I'm getting there, that would be perfect. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and it's a short one, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And with this, thank you for watching and goodbye.
Subscribe to Daddy's channel. Give me the mic.